We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of an Amber child abduction alert. Anne Arundel County Police Department is looking for a 2012 silver Nissan Altima, Maryland registration 2EC2914. The two missing children are believed to have been taken by the unknown suspect during a carjacking. The first child is a 2-year-old, Kes Malik Spruill. He is a black male, 3 feet tall, 60 pounds, last seen wearing a white shirt, red sweatpants, and Nike shoes. The second child is a 7-month-old, Khmer Elijah Foote, a black boy, 26 inches tall, 18 pounds, last seen wearing a white onesie, gray pants with blue and white pacifier attached to them. The suspect is an unknown white man with a tall, slim build, wearing a red and green plaid shirt and tan pants. The carjacking took place earlier this evening at 9:06 in the 8100 block of Ritchie Highway in Pasadena, Maryland. Anyone who spots this 2012 silver Nissan Altima, Maryland registration 2EC2914, should contact Anne Arundel County Police. It's 11:04.